Hey everyone, it's Kim with Hungerford. Let's talk about something we all rely on computers. Unfortunately, they don't last forever. We recommend replacing your computers every 3 to 5 years. Why? To keep your team efficient and avoid the frustration of outdated devices slowing them down. When it's time to upgrade, we've got you covered with a streamlined setup process. In this video, we'll walk through what happens when you get a new computer from us. The process starts long before the computer reaches your desk. Here's what we handle in our office. We handle the initial configuration, adding your account, and setting preferences. All security patches and software updates are applied to keep your device secure and running smoothly. We remove unnecessary apps to free up space and improve performance. We preload essential tools like Adobe Reader, Google Chrome, and Microsoft 365. Our remote support tool is installed so we can assist you quickly when needed. Antivirus, Huntress, and other protective measures are put in place. And lastly, VPN and client software configuration. If your team uses VPN or specialized programs, we configure those too. Once everything is ready, we schedule an on site visit to complete the setup process. Now comes the exciting part getting your computers in your hands and ready to use. Here's what happens next. We connect your computer to keyboards, monitors, docks, and other peripherals. Your device is joined to your organization's network. All your important files, documents, spreadsheets, bookmarks are transferred from your old computer. We connect and configure printers, set defaults, and make sure everything works. We verify you can access shared folders and files. Your email account is set up and ready to go. We also do VPN testing to ensure remote access to your network is smooth and secure. And then finally, your old equipment disposal. We help determine what to do with your old device. Do you keep it, store it, or recycle it? The post delivery setup usually takes about 1 to 2 hours of your time. While we know that this can feel like a lot during a busy day, it's worth it to get everything right the first time and avoid issues later. If slow, outdated computers are holding your team back, let's talk. We're here to help keep your business productive, secure, and profitable. Don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter for weekly tips and insight. I will link that below. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you next week.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.